guys. Came to DSW, right? Because I had shoes on hold and I got paid today. Got here, I parked, and I heard and I looked at the tire, and the tire is literally touching the car. I called my dad, and he was like, okay, I'll just come look at it later. I'm waiting for Annie to come pick me up. This is what I get, because I'm supposed to be at home packing and finishing my skirt for mom. I'm gonna give you guys a little haul while I wait. I got lashes, got these Nike pants. Hey guys, so my ride picked me up. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A now. I got Crocs. So cute. Hi guys, I'm getting ready to go. I'm putting stuff in the car right now. Mommy just got off work. Hi guys, we're going to Labor Day.
I'm excited, but I'm nervous.
I don't think I'm nervous. I'm just excited.
Like 5 minutes away from the hotel.
So set up.
I have to rush. It's 6. We're gonna get there at 6:55. Practice at 7. I have 5 minutes.
I'm here at the hotel, 6:59. Mom's finishing up the thread on my skirt, and then I'm gonna go to practice. We are done with practice, and Diane made us and musubi taste test. Rate it.
This is not a mukbang channel. We should. We should start a podcast. We eat food. It's recording me.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. There's the Cookie Monster.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Infinity.
Can't touch. Is that for tomorrow? It's for tonight.
Hey y'all, it's 6:24. I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm kind of nervous for today. I don't know why. Like, the dance is so comfortable, but I just feel nervous. Anyways, we're gonna do good.
It is currently like almost 6:30. I got up a little bit earlier to take my time getting ready, but I'm gonna do my makeup and then my mom's gonna do my hair. Yep.
It's practice time. We're gonna see who is in the room ready. I don't think anyone will be in there, but. We are going to the festival. It's really hot today, and there are no clouds. Hi guys, we're done with round 1. I think we did great.
It was so good.
Except for Lila's mistake, but whatever. She's sold for real. Sold. She's off the team. Anyway, we're heading back to the hotel, and practice is at 4. I don't know what time it is, but I think we have time. It's 2:41. And dance competition is still happening. Some girls are watching it, but me, Neela, Lila, we're going back. We're practicing Lao. We're practicing Lao. And then we're gonna go swimming after. Okay, Mom, if you're watching this, I left this. Okay, we had a room change. I left this in the first room, and I'm just getting it back now. So, I had to get ready without this today, and it was painful, but it's fine. My makeup tomorrow will slay. We're swimming! There's Neela, and Lucy's leaving now, but she was here for a long time.
6:41. My dinner, noodles, boba. There's my mom and there's Ren.
Yeah. Get this baby crying. Pretty. Cry like this all the time.
Hey guys, it is 9:50, basically 9:50. We're supposed to go to bed at 10, so just me and my brother's chilling. Gonna go to bed. Not really, but yeah. And if you see this, love ya.
6:37. Good morning. Play something for her, maybe. She asked nicely, so.
Hi guys, it is like currently basically 7. These walls are so thin. I can hear the person next to it throwing up in the bathroom. That is disgusting. Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll see you guys later.
We are done with practice. Checkout is at 11 and it's 11, but my family's running a little late and I'm shoving this McDonald's down my throat. I'm hungry. Today is like kind of chilly, but it's fine.
We're all dressed up, so shimmery, and yeah, today's gonna be a nice day. And my mom, my brother, and my sister back here. Girl, say hi. Okay. Hi guys, we're waiting for the raffles. So we got our tickets, and I better get a prize. If not, Alexa, Lionel. Damn. Okay, guys, we're leaving.
Did you win anything from the raffle?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, what'd you win?
I won Charlotte.
That's nice. Honey, did you win anything?
I did, actually.
What'd you win?
Let me show you. I won that one. That one.
Leo, did you win anything from the raffle?
It is 12:52. We are chilling in the tent. Some of the girls are doing like glitter touch-ups. Group B2 goes at 1:30 and it's almost 1 and we are gonna practice at 1.
Tsheej Haj!
Hey guys, guess what, y'all? We got in second place. I'm so freaking happy, y'all.
So proud of you and your dance group.
Period.
Second place until that next tournament.
Madison upcoming.